Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the 2023 edition of the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL HyperMagnetic gaming keyboard, a high-performance, compact, tenkeyless keyboard designed specifically for esports and competitive gaming. This keyboard brings a host of exciting features to enhance responsiveness, durability, and customization, so let's dive in and see what makes it a standout choice for serious gamers. Starting with the key technology that sets this keyboard apart, the Apex Pro TKL features adjustable actuation thanks to its hypermagnetic switches. This means you can customize the actuation point of each key, setting it to register with a feather-light touch for gaming, or a deeper press for typing. This level of control is perfect for tailoring your setup to different games, giving you the precision needed to perform at your best. Another awesome feature is the OLED display in the top corner, which provides a quick, customizable interface for tracking real-time stats, system notifications, or even displaying custom graphics. It's a small but powerful addition that brings valuable information right to your fingertips without disrupting your game or workflow. With RGB backlighting, the Apex Pro TKL lets you personalize the look of your keyboard with vibrant lighting effects, from single-color hues to full-spectrum patterns. And thanks to the high-quality PBT keycaps, you get improved durability and a premium feel that resists fading or wear over time. These keycaps also enhance the overall typing experience, giving a textured, comfortable grip that's perfect for long gaming sessions. In terms of connectivity, this keyboard comes with USB-C, offering a fast, reliable connection that's compatible with a wide range of modern devices. Plus, USB-C makes setup and travel easier, since it's compact and reversible. The tenkeyless TKL design makes the Apex Pro more compact, which is perfect for those who need extra space on their desk or want a lighter keyboard for travel. It's ideal for competitive gaming where space for mouse movement is crucial, yet it still packs all the essential keys for a full gaming experience. To sum it up, the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL HyperMagnetic gaming keyboard is a powerhouse for competitive players and tech enthusiasts alike. With its adjustable actuation, durable PBT keycaps, OLED screen, and sleek TKL design, this keyboard is packed with the latest in gaming technology. If you're serious about elevating your gameplay and want a keyboard that can be customized to fit your style, this is an excellent choice. Check the link below to grab the best price, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth tech reviews and gaming gear recommendations. Thanks for watching.